back. Phone died. I did jump in chat to tell people my phone died. Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay. Where am I going wrong? Where am I going wrong? Okay, let's have a look. So, these docs are horrible. So, because there's just so much going on about, and it's like, well, what stuff do you care about and what stuff do you not care about? Okay, so if we go into Contentful, response .json, that gets us back. So then we get back submissions dot. What happens here? Is this going to work? I mean, it didn't blow up. I don't know if it returned anything though. We can try. Okay, so we've got it there. Okay, so I need to. That's TypeScript. Available as props, but then how do you use it? Okay. Oh, look, content for example. Fine, except that doesn't. Pages. Index. That takes. Okay, so then this would take props. Because you got here, you got preview and all posts, which are props here. So then when you want to use it, you just reference it. So our props is that. So we could do console.log submissions. We can also in here, in one of our grid cards, say that it's props dot data. Okay. So if we refresh this page, what do we get? Nothing. Why? Why don't it go away? Just want to know if it's got anything. Asset submissions is props. Props.submissions.data. We'll do props.submissions for now and see what it does. Okay. Yeah, well, that's what I thought, but it's unhappy with me. So it's saying objects are not valid as a React child. Okay, so let's go back to the documentation we were reading. So that passes in preview on all posts, and then it uses them by doing containers, got hero posts. That's preview, that's all posts used. Oh, it's made into more posts. So it needs to be inside. Oh. That should do it. Find object with keys. What? That's what it looks like. So many errors everywhere. It's hard to see what's going on. So okay. Let's stop and restart. Okay. What do we get? Okay. Object's not valid. Okay. So it doesn't like that. Oh yeah, okay. So then it would be like that. Oh yeah, because you need to turn it into from an object, it needs to become like a string. So we should see nonsense socks now. Okay. Access tokens missing. Okay, but it's progress. Access tokens missing. Did I think it was? Okay. Content. So that's next specific. I want contentful help. What's the access token? I should be right, surely. So, got post with headers, authorization, bearer. Don't think quotes matters, does it? I mean, I can do secrets quickly and do the do the thing. So preview token, please, and thank you. Settings, API keys. Into here, contentful preview access token equals that. Close that. Undo the secrets. Okay. So now we're going to say that the API key has options. Default options. But what? Okay. Okay, we don't care about that. So bearer plus access token. That should be right. Bearer plus API key. Yep. I am still live. Yes. I don't know. So if we look here. Ah, of course you did. Of course you did. Okay, 15. Let's go. Whee. Okay, so if we go back here, it's just, oh, is it bearer space? Yes, you might be onto something. Let's try and see. It's a good job you're here, Richard. You're the savior of the stream right now. So if we go to settings and change this to purple for TD, there you go. So that might work now. Go to here and here. Query the quest. Okay, so now we're missing a query. Okay, but well, it's progress. Is this not a query? What's a query supposed to look like? Contentful. Get. Contentful. Post request. No, no. To be fair, there's nothing really around to dox myself with because all the contentful stuff that we're using at the moment is all read only. Is all the read only tokens. Contentful post request. Okay. The difference. Okay, what am I missing? I'm missing something. Oh, it's wrapped in. Oh yeah, because you've got to pass it the object to be stringed up, haven't you? So you got to turn the whole object so it includes the quote, the brackets. Okay. I'm determined. I'm not going offline until we get this stupid thing to work. Unless the internet has other ideas, I'm not leaving until we get this to work. Damn it! I'm a member of the Claw Stream team, and we are not quitters. No, that's not what I meant to do. I meant to refresh. Look at that! It looks ugly, but like we have data. We have data, yo. So now we can learn how to map over it once we celebrate. Yeehaw! Okay. Whoop whoop. Okay, so. Check it, yeah. Check what? Oh, you just highlighting your message. Neat. Thanks for the support. Thank you, especially to Richard and obviously White Panther that just dropped by. But yeah, hype. But yeah, Claw team members are not quitters, so I'm going to keep going until we got this looking nice in individual cards. Okay, so we've got the response back. So now I don't need to blob this in as one whole thing. So we can do no. It must be this one. We've got props. We want to pass it different props. We want to map through the data first. So submissions looks like that. How? Okay, I think I've committed myself to some pain here because now I've got to work out what to do to get the data out. So let's go back to the. Right, we're gonna tidy this crap up a bit because it's getting ridiculous. And then we're gonna go to this window and we're gonna say we don't need the playground. Oh, thanks for the follow, B. Brunen. Right, that's okay. We don't need that. Rich text. Okay. So that's a response, but how do we do something with it? Okay, contentful, just speed up your workflow. Okay, so we've got the rich text field package. Thank you. Well, you're not going to understand my code, so someone's got to lie my face. Meet one of my best friends, everyone. Normally, obviously, we're a community that doesn't do appearance comments, but this is just a joke from one of my closest friends, so it's okay. Red for the claw. Okay. There you go, TD. Actual claw red. Hey, thanks for the follow, Tiny. Look at you two hanging out watching me like a pair of stalkers. Okay, so we want to do stuff like node.data.target. Okay. So, like I said, I'm not quitting. I'm going to persevere even if it kills me. So we know that we've got data. So if we go back to the GraphQL playground, that's a good start. So if we do const username equals submissions dot node dot data dot nonsense. So we know that we get back, where's local? We know that we get back, so it's data. Where's the documentation again? So many windows. So you've got node.data.target. So this documentation to me is just overwhelming and confusing. So we're going to find something else. So contentful rich access fields on JSON Node.js. Okay. So where are you getting the bits from? So you got post, body's that. Okay, this might be helpful from last year. Okay, so it is quote brackets and quotes. Okay. Oh, we know it's from the feed data. What do we get back? Hey, exegete. Morning, afternoon. I know, right? As if you've been subscribed for 9 months. Thank you. Items, written submission, JSON. So what do we get back? Then if we did node dot. Okay, that's not gonna do it. Well, I've got a new channel point redemption now, thanks to TD Exegete, where you can spend 200 channel points to either pick a cursor size or pick a color. And TD redeemed it to have it at the maximum size. So welcome to Giant Cursor. I hate always referring to White Panther, but I'm trying to find like documentation rather than code samples. But I just want to access the stuff. You get blog posts back, right? So the query is for JSON, and you got the links, but we're not going to add any links. Maybe people will put links in. Response.data.page content collection items. Okay, so it might be submissions dot data dot written submissions collection dot items. Stuffs. Props, not stuffs. Yeah. I mean, to be fair, I kind of like, it's not that I don't want everything, it's just that I only care about the 2 bits that are actually manually entered. So what do we get now? If we reload this page, what do we get back? Does it blow up? Okay, it's not that. I just want a helpful article that makes sense to me on how to do this. For GraphQL. I mean, maybe we don't need to worry. Maybe it's not rich text, because rich text is just one box. So you want, so our query looks like items and then title. What's it name? Submissions. So it should be items name. You just do the name field. Okay. So we know we want the name back. So in here, we're going to do an H2, which is going to be the we want props dot title. So props dot name. So the written submission is just a rich text box. So it will look like, so basically we've got 2 bits of information coming back at the moment, which is someone's name, and then written submission is a rich text field entry, which comes back as JSON in Contentful. So we'll get to, so for now I just want to show the name. So for each person that submitted something, show their name. So const, this cursor's the worst. Const names equals submissions dot items. So the query that we're running returns, yes, it'll be collection.items.name. Okay. So you want hot pink. Okay, hot pink in a smaller size. Gotcha. Hot pink. About that size. There we go. So this is going to be submissions dot written submissions collection dot items dot name. Return names. And then this is going to be names. Okay, there we go. So if we refresh this page, okay, it doesn't know what names are. It knows what written submission collections are though, so we can work with this. Still massive. Why did it not save? Hot pink. Small. Or was bigger, even bigger. Okay. Okay. So if we just do that, what do we get back? We can just back this up and up until we get an answer. Undefined cannot be serialized as JSON. Okay. So what do we actually get back? Oh, so it's got data first. Okay, so I think it's going to be submissions const test equals. Alright, let's do const test equals submissions dot data dot written testimonials collection dot items dot name. I wish there was like a website I could go to. I could dump this data and then just work out how to drill down to the level I want. But alas, instead I elbow my microphone by accident. Okay. This is name. Well, but I tried. I've got the playground open, but like you get to like that gives me the query. But how do I then say like, oh, like what will I get back? You know, I've got the playground, but my problem with my issue is that I know what query to run. But so yeah, so it's data dot written submissions. Okay, so it's So the submissions are have a look. So at the moment we get data, written testimonials, collection. Is that? Yeah. So name should return the name value, but it's not doing it. It's only, yeah, like I know that this is a level to dig down, but how you access that? Because you want to access them. Ah, okay. Okay. So I don't necessarily care about them individually. I just want to know that I can drill down enough into the JSON to get the values out. So even if I just got a block list of all the names, I don't care. Like at least I know that I've got the code right to access the like values in the JSON. For each name, the names. Console.log name. Okay, I'm wrong somewhere. Line 64, okay. Okay, what do we get? So at least if I can see what we get back, my brain can try and work out what the next step is. I know this won't be right yet, but I just want to have a look at what I'm working with. It should be. It is with an S. Is it? Or even it is the playground. There. Ah, okay. That might help. Written testimonial collection. Okay. What do we get back now? It is. Okay. So we get back their names. And then we get back written submission. Okay, so we return names. Wait, what? How? Okay, so names contains all the names now, so that's something. And then we also need a const written submissions equals submissions dot data dot written testimonial collection dot items dot what we got submissions dot console.json, console.log written submissions, and that'll be json.stringify. Oh, possibly, yeah. Yeah. So names object at the moment, you have to do dot name dot. Wait, what? This is why I'm not a developer by day, because I can't code for crap. So if we just console.log names for now, I just want to see what we get back. It's okay. I don't know what I'm doing execute, so that's why I didn't put a no backseating tag on. Yeah, so that's an object with a name and then a written submission object. So this should be okay. Hey, Beardy. Okay, so data's that. Then submissions is going to be. Oh, I'm not going to call it data. It's going to be annoying. Response. So that's going to give us back the submissions. And then in here, it would be for the. It's going to be right. I think this is right. It's going to be props.submissions, props.submissions, and h2, which is going to be the for each prop.submissions. Name, and here you're going to do for each submission you're going to print the name. Ah, no, I'm screwing this up. Okay. Next.js. Hey, Billy. Iterate. All right. Okay. Iterate objects even. How's he doing it? In get initial props. Okay. Oh yeah, be a dot. Not a for each. Should be a dot map. What am I doing? I know for each would do, but okay, you do. Oh yeah, of course, you have to make it into a thing. So it'd be props.submissions.map for each submission. you're going to return stuff. Way opposite. For each submission, you're going to do an H2, which is submissions.name. And then you're going to do a P, which is going to be submissions dot. Oh, it needs to be invalid div, doesn't it? Oh, okay. I'm going to steal. Dot grid. Yeah. So it's going to, now we just need to work out, so it's going to be submissions dot, so it's at the same level as name. So it's submissions dot written submissions dot JSON dot, oh, it might just be JSON, so then it might be dot JSON, like that. What's inside the object? Written submission JSON. Let's see what that generates anyway. I mean, it compiled, that's a start. Oh, okay. That was not quite what I had in mind. Oh yeah, it needs to be like that. And like that. Okay. Objects are not valid. How do we get the fucking content back? Okay. It's not what I want. Okay, so we've got, let's have a look at this guide. So we know what it is. Right, so it's complaining that it's found an object. So do we need to do that? Okay, progress. We got the names. It's a start. Slow but sure. Okay. Contentful. See, I don't need anything fancy. I just want to. Sure, there's got to be something simple in this. So, contentful display rich text field. Okay, Salma wrote this, so let's go. I trust Salma. When it comes to some content on the internet, I trust Salma more than anyone else. So we'll see. Oh, chair moved. I just want to show the content. That's my problem. So we get the rich text field and we get the JSON. Okay, then what do we do with it? So we don't care about that right now. We care about the JSON. Thank you. Yeah, we're getting there slowly. We got the names. And that's the image. Okay, but how do we get the rest of it? Okay. Hey, so Steve, you're back. Hello, how was your game? Okay. We have a renderer. Have I got the renderer? Oh, nice. What did you download? Still, oh, nice. I want to try that new world. It's open beta from Amazon at the moment. It looked quite good. Oh. Okay. How do we use it? Okay. Will do, yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, exegete. The thing I'm curious about, though, is this whole idea of giving it a document and then, oh yeah, like you're saying, you can pass it the whole object already, yeah, so that should be done. So if we, yeah, we don't need any of them, so import, let's try, document to React components, passing it the rich text document, which is going to be submissions dot written submission. Find out. Wait, what? Submissions dot. What did I change? So we have. So it's unhappy at the minute because it doesn't like read in map. Because it's undefined. Why is it undefined? I haven't changed anything. Hey, sup noob. Winning might be pushing it. I'm still here if that counts. I'm just determined to keep going until I get, well, unless Hobo tells me he needs the internet for his cooking stream. Which he's, if he's watching, he's perfectly entitled to tell me to do, because you've got people expecting your cooking stream. And we can get people to go hang out with you. I'm on Wi-Fi at the minute anyway, believe it or not, because my phone keeps having a meltdown. It's even on an ice pack to keep it cold. But such is life. Have a good weekend, Billy. Okay, so submissions. So it's saying, oh, is it sub.json? It might be. Yeah, that might be the document actually. Let's try it and see. Would you friggin' look at that? Well, it's alright, Hobo, because we bloody won. We bloody did it, and I know that's such a British swear word, but I don't care. We did it. Yeah. And this is a joint effort. Look at that. Now it's all in Contentful. It's all, no more static data anywhere. Thank friggin' God. Oh yeah. Beautiful stuff, my friends. Beautiful stuff. There we go. We now have all the written submissions being pulled out from Contentful. Like, there's things that we could do to, like, you know, move the names into the middle and all that stuff, but that's minor details. I'm gonna go find someone to raid so that Hobo can stream. In fact, yeah, everyone give corrupted_hobo a follow. You get to watch him make brioche buns for the first time from scratch. And I'm sure I'll be lurking in the background. So yeah, like give us oh, do you know what? We're not gonna raid anyone. We're just gonna go. We're gonna go offline for now. But keep an eye out. Like give Corrupted Hobo a follow and keep an eye out, because then you can watch a cooking stream. Because if he could stream at the same time as me, I would raid him. Because yeah, he's making brioche buns from scratch, and if it's a success, then we're using them in burgers tonight. So I mean, who doesn't want to watch someone making stuff from scratch? It's awesome. So yeah, thank you for